Doorbell updates, New Jersey edition. Roselle, New Jersey. 4 men attempt to break into somebody's house. Welcome to Doorbell Updates. Linden, New Jersey. 3 guys on a bike trespassing. Linden, New Jersey. Irvington, New Jersey.
Oh, you just press that shit, cuz that on my mother I did. I did not. That shit look like pee, cuz. You really press that shit. On my mother I did not press that shit. Why? Press it, dumbass. I was holding this shit the whole time. Look, you holding it. Bro, you pressing the button. I was doing that shit the whole time. As soon as he twisted the nozzle, dirt on my neck. Untwist the nozzle, cuz. Look, it's not twisted, yes, my nigga. It's twisted always. No, it's not. Yes, it Super is. Batman that's shit. Yo. Chill. Nah, y'all run. Hey, yo, bro. Hey, yo, you just. Hey, yo. Chill. My nigga, I just got hit with bullshit. Hey, hold on, let me get this. I need to tap. Hold on, my nigga. Look at my teeth. Is this throw up, cuz? No. Take that shit up, take it up. Bro, look at my teeth. I can't even, bro. We should have hit him with the Batman Rob out, I told you. Mama, bend back. Chase him.
Hillside, New Jersey.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Man, shut up, shit. It makes no sense.
Once again, I'd like to thank everybody for stopping by to the channel. If you enjoy the content, subscribe, like, comment. I will write back to you guys, and I'll see you guys again soon.